Hi there, welcome to the Learn Mandarin Beginners Writing course. This course is developed for those of you that know nothing about the written Chinese, but you want to get started. We're going to cover a very brief history on written Chinese, and then we're going to get right into it. So, Chinese writing is actually called Hanzi. Han refers to the ethnic group that make up over 90% of the Chinese people in mainland China, and Zi means letter or characters, so Hanzi is just writing of the Chinese people. Written Chinese is an essential part of Chinese culture, so if you want to fully immerse yourself in Chinese culture, then learning written Chinese is a must. An educated Chinese person would know around 4,000 characters. The Chinese written system is one of the oldest writing systems that's still in use today. What's even more remarkable is that some of it is fundamentally unchanged since it was actually conceived almost 5,000 years ago. Chinese writing originally started off as being little pictures which represented objects, and we'll see some photos of these in the next slide. Now, these representations, through time, they evolved to become less and less like what they originally represented. Some of these pictures originally were used on oracle bones, and they were framed as questions by priests to try and divine the future. We can see here how a scorpion has evolved through time in Chinese writing. We can see how water, it looks originally like a river, has evolved through time. The sun started off as a circle with a dot inside, and now it's more rectangular. You can see the clear shapes of the mountains, which has evolved to just being 3 vertical lines and a horizontal line through it. And rain, you can see the cloud at the top with the 3 sets of dropping lines. And here we have the oracle bone, where priests a long time ago would try to divine the future. Alright, so let's get started now. We'll be focusing on Simplified Chinese, which is the standard Chinese used in China, Singapore, and Malaysia. We'll start off nice and easy and use numbers first. Let's get into it. 1, the number 1, is E, and it's literally just a straight line. E. The number 2 is 2 straight lines. R. To say 3 is 3 straight lines, san, and it matters the order that you write the lines in, so make sure you write it in this particular order. San. 4 is a bit more complicated. We start with a vertical line, and then we do a sidewards L, and then we draw inside like this, and then we close the box off like this. This is 4. 5 is written like this. Okay, so we start with the first stroke, and then the second stroke going down, and then the third stroke going like this, and then the final stroke going like this. This is 5. 5. 6 is 6, and it's written like this. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. 7 is written like so. This line is slightly slanted, and this one kind of looks like a hook. It comes down like this. This is 7. 7. 8 is written like this. That's ba. 9, we start with the curving line down, and then 9, and finally 10 is 10, and it's like a cross. 10